Welcome in once again to Crypto Climate, where we observe the climatic current pulse and forecast of the cryptocurrency markets. Guys, don't forget to destroy that subscribe button, guys, as it really does help out, guys. Let's immediately go into today's video topic, starting off with the sentiment, the fear and greed index here at 52 for Ethereum. Basically pretty neutral, still has failed to break the previous local highs, as we're going to see in the charts. And most altcoins have been dumping recently, really for the past month. Now they've been stabilizing, so we're going to definitely discuss that, guys. Immediately we move on to the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the world, guys, starting with Ethereum at $1,846, down 2% in the last 7 days. We have BNB at number 2 at $232, down almost 5% in the last week. Number 3, XRP, the scam, at 47 cents, down almost 5% as well. Then you have Cardano at 27 pennies, down 6.21%. And then at number 5, you have Dogecoin, the dog coin, at almost down 5% as well. Guys, markets have been dumping for the last 7 days. You know, with regards to the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the world. But we do see here the top 5 best performing assets during the past few weeks. Immediately we start off with Bitcoin Cash, usually the scam, but we do see here a price of almost $250, up 80% in the past week. Why? Institutional demand. New ETF announced they're going to go for the old coins, the OGs, the established, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin Cash, Compound with regards to DeFi as well. As you can see here at around 50 billies, up 68%. Insane. Another scam, Bitcoin SV, just copies of Bitcoin, going up at $37, up 36%. That's crazy. At number 4, Stellar XLM at 10 pennies, up 18%. And then number 5, Synthetics at $2.24, up almost 16% in the last week. Then we have the ones that are dumping, guys. Let's start with number 1, cornflakes, guys. CFX at 20 cents, down 24%. Yikes, that hurts, guys. Again, remember, these are the top 5 worst performing assets during the past week. Number 2, SUI at 67 cents, down 17 cents. Number 3, Optimism. Not a lot, optimism right now with the price at $1.22, down 12%. Number 4, Stacks at almost 70%, down 11%. 70 cents, down 11%. And then Bit down at number 5, almost 40 cents, down a whopping 11%. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe here. It really does help out the channel. Click that bell, so you can stay informed for our brand new videos. And also press the like button, as it really does help out with the algorithm. Remember, none of this content is official financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. And what we offer you, if you subscribe, free educational playlist. You can grab a pen, a pencil, a piece of paper. Link in the description down below. It brings you here, you know what I mean? And you have a bunch of educational videos with educational presentations, all for free, guys. Free cryptocurrency education. It can't get any better or much better than that. Immediately we start off with the charts, guys. Wow. Ethereum continues to stay consolidating at that $1,800 mark. Right now, $1,847 per Ethereum. And we see we just continue to be range bound, guys. We just, it's not showing, but we just here. Look, the support continues to be $1,786 to the downside, and the resistance continues to be $1,900. Look, can't make this stuff up. Look at that technical analysis. All these candles failed to get above that mark and close a candle. Crazy resistance at these levels. Essentially, with the wick, we did make a new local high, but not with the bodies. So a lot of resistance in this area, and we expect to touch down at $1,786 once again in the next couple of days to retest that support. If it holds, we expect the bounce just to continue this sideways consolidation inside this range of price action. And then the next support continues to be $1,648 if the $1,786 doesn't hold that level. You know what I mean? So let's see what's going to happen. Stochastic, we had a cross down. Let's see how that plays out. Losing a little bit of momentum here. But all in all, Ethereum's still holding strong, just going so going sideways with its consolidation here after making the pivot high in April. Let's see how it's going to react in the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. Then we have here the total to market cap, excuse me. We have all the altcoin, market caps here except Bitcoin, so Ethereum and the rest of the altcoins at $544 billion. Last time we made a video, we were here, guys. We were here, and that's crazy. Literally, you can go back and check. We said we will most likely revisit the $500 billion mark, and look, we came down exactly. You can't make this stuff up, man. Literally been having these lines on here forever, man. Look at that strong bounce off these lows, with a little double bottom here, but we failed to reach this trend line and this resistance at the $600 to $616 billion mark. So a lot of weakness in the altcoin market, the SEC, all the fear, the panic, all that good stuff, and money moving from altcoins to Bitcoin, the liquidity and things of that nature. We expect, a retest of this support and even break down towards the $432 billion, total to market cap. So stay tuned for that. Right now we have a strong bounce, but a little bit, weakness here in the intraday analysis, and we expect a retouch of the 500 billion in the next days, and maybe even in the next couple of weeks. And you have the DXY. We haven't covered this chart in a while, guys. Just wanted to make sure that we go ahead. Apologize for the technical difficulties here. Wow, look at this chart. We made a low, a higher low, and a higher low, and then we have a high and a lower high right here. So we're in this wedge pattern, as you can see, wedge triangular pattern here, where the price is just bouncing within this range, and it's gonna have to make a decision eventually, of either piercing through and revisiting the resistance of 105.35, or coming back, and then getting rejected and going down to the 100 level here on the DXY, the dollar index. So exciting times right now. We're bullish in the last 48 hours on the DXY, as we can see here, heading into the 103.35 resistance. So let's see how that pans out. Right now, a lot of uncertainty, but it is pushing up in the last couple of days. So let's see how it pans out in the next couple of weeks. Guys, don't forget, link in the description down below to our link tree, our centralized resources and tools for you guys. Thank you so much for your time, for your support, and for your attention. Hope you guys have a good one.